Can we all stand up to honor Kabiyesi Ooni of Ife? Kabiyesi, because we want to present a letter. We believe we have addressed our statement today in line with our drive for a developed Nigeria. And on behalf of Yoruba Council Worldwide, alongside Nigeria Coalition Group, Nigeria Youth Coalition, Coalition of Southern Groups, National Stakeholders Forum, and various civil society groups present here, we are presenting this letter. We know we cannot send Kabiyesi on an errand, but we believe Kabiyesi as our father, who is also father to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We know with this letter, Kabiyesi has direct access to President. He can even ask the President to come to his palace and collect it. Kabiyesi, in doing this, we want to present this special letter in helping us to seek his intervention in facilitating a meeting with the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu over the Dangote refinery versus PENGASSAN crisis, as well as our call to end fuel importation in Nigeria, while we are appealing for a diplomatic solution of the U.S. security concern. And that is the essence of why we believe Kabiyesi is in our best interest to helping us convey our message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you and God bless. And we will present this as well.
Thank you very much. Everybody. You see the ongoing group between the American president or America and the state has become of national concern to everybody in Nigeria. And that is why various stakeholders have been talking about it and discussing it. So it's very lovely, very lovely. Youth, Nigerian youth, who have come from very reasonable, stakeholders, who are very reasonable and important stakeholders within the system of media are coming out to show their interest in playing their role. The role will be seen to be important. It is very important. And I believe that will be captured in the letter given to me. So I will not hesitate to get it well delivered to Kabiyesi. This is what the youth should be doing. Youths are not necessarily known for letting up or for causing disability, disability of the system. So once again, I promise to deliver it very well to Kabiyesi. And we will hear from Kabiyesi as soon as possible. And I'm sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Please, can we all just hold our solidarity with people who are in captures, just a picture.